Spy Ninjas, we found Daniel with PZ9 right over there. We tried to get him to leave, but he won't. Daniel wants to stay with PZ9.
Sounds like they're best friends or something. What's going on?
All right, I'll see you, PZ9. See ya.
What the heck?
What? He just pushed him over. Maybe they're not friends then.
Rude. Yeah.
Wait, here goes Daniel.
Oh, Daniel.
Hi, Daniel.
What's going on, Daniel?
How are you?
You feeling okay, Daniel?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Do you want this?
What is this? Oh.
What about the Apple Watch?
Yeah, you love your Apple Watch.
What? Oh, thanks, guys.
Why is Daniel acting weird? I mean, weirder than usual.
I know, his eyes are like this. Yeah, look at him.
Daniel?
Oh.
Daniel?
We were trying to rescue you and you decided to hang out with PZ9 instead.
I didn't want you guys to rescue me because I was getting some really good information out of PZ9. Like life-changing information.
Spit it out,
What?
Daniel. What is it?
I don't know who I am.
What?
What are you?
PZ9 told me some news. He told me that every person who joins Project Zorgo gets their memory erased. The farthest I can think back was the day I joined Project Zorgo. I don't remember anything before that.
Come on, Daniel, just think.
I can't believe you. That's just not true.
I mean, Daniel, it's as easy as this. Like, who are your parents?
I never thought about it before. I don't know.
What?
I don't
What
know.
do you mean you don't know?
Some people don't have parents, right? Maybe I'm...
Are you
a better
adopted?
person? Maybe? Mom, Dad, if you're watching this right now, leave a comment below. It's me, Daniel.
But what if your name's not even Daniel?
Okay, well, you know what? We have to get to the bottom of this, guys. We have to find out what happened the day I joined Project Zorgo.
You know what? When I was undercover as a Project Zorgo member, I know that they have a data service room. Maybe you guys can hack into the server room and we can find out more information about Daniel on the day that he joined.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's hack. All right, guys, there's the pyramid. Okay, we gotta go in the back entrance. That's how we're gonna sneak in safely. Okay, guys, we're in the back now. There's some guard right there. But that's okay because we have hacker clothes with us.
Yes.
Daniel, you got them in your backpack, right?
Just go in disguise and do what we did last time.
Wait,
Wait.
Daniel. Daniel!
Oh my gosh.
There's nothing in here, Daniel.
You forgot him?
Regina, did you play a prank on me?
No, why would I do that?
It's Regina's fault, I think.
Daniel.
I'm sorry, V, I forgot the disguises. Okay, well, the footage is somewhere inside the Black Pyramid, so let me just use my phone and hack it from afar. Yeah, there it is.
Okay, yeah, he's doing it.
I don't have any bars of signal. It's like 0 bars.
I can help you out, Daniel.
Why?
I put something in your backpack.
At least someone comes prepared. What's this?
It's a hotspot. This will help you reach a further signal.
Antennas!
You're a genius.
I know.
We're genius strikes again. All right, let's do it.
Go in.
Hold on.
What's it? I heard you. You're not gonna get past me. I'm gonna need some backup. Somebody trying to play some games with me out here.
He heard us.
Daniel, you gotta be quiet. They heard you.
I just get so excited sometimes.
Yeah, I heard you scream. You sound like a little girl or something.
He heard it.
I'll take him.
No, just run away, Chad. Yeah. Let's get it farther away.
Behind the tree, right here.
All right, this should be a good spot. Let's keep using this thing. Let me try to get the footage of the day I joined Project Zorgo. And it's connecting. The day I joined Project Zorgo, April 15th, 2018. Ow.
Sorry.
So if I can go back to April 14th, the day before I joined, maybe I can see like what happened to me, how I lost my memory. All right. April 14th, 2018. I can download the file.
Download.
Download.
Loading.
Come on.
That was too loud.
Hey, they're definitely here. We need more backup to the security door.
We gotta get out of here.
But it's downloading right now.
Go. Okay, let's go. We're here. We're here.
Okay.
How's the signal, Regina?
I don't know. Daniel, where's your phone?
Oh no. We went too far, guys. I lost connection.
Oh gosh, are you sure?
The footage stopped downloading.
Oh,
Hold
man.
it higher.
Did you extend all the way?
It's not working.
Dang it.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Piece 2. Why's he kicking a tree?
I got a really good idea. Why don't we take the hotspot? We'll give it to PZ2 or like sneak it into his back or something. He'll crawl in. He'll get it closer to the Black Pyramid for us.
Wait, Daniel, you said the footage is in the server room?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not gonna work. You guys know that I was an undercover Project Zorgo member for 3 full months, so I know the whole entire layout of the Black Pyramid, and I know that PZ2 is not allowed in the server room. But I do have an idea. If we give the hotspot to PZ2, when he goes into the hatch, he will end up in the basement. That's where PZ usually is. PZ2 will give the hotspot to PZ, then PZ will give the hotspot to PZ314, and because PZ314's office is right next to the server room, that should allow us to have a strong connection to hack the footage.
Okay, perfect, V. Let's write a note for PZ2 and we'll leave it near the entrance of that hatch because that's probably how he's gonna get in.
Quick, to the hatch. Go.
PZ2 should be here any moment. Here, Chad.
All right, so I'll tell PZ2 to take this device and give it to PZ314.
Wait, Chad, PZ2 can't read, remember?
Oh, okay, I'll draw him pictures. I'm really good at drawing pictures.
All right, there's PZ2 with his hump. Here's 314 here with his suspenders. PZ2's handing the device to 314. Underneath this bolt, there we go.
And put the hotspot there too.
Okay.
On top.
And just to make sure the plan is working, I've got my spy pen here with a camera on it. I'm gonna put that right down here. PZ2 will take that with him. We'll be able to see everything he's up to.
Hey, perfect.
I think that's him. He's coming. PZ2.
Go.
Here he goes. Oh yeah, come on, pick up the note, PZ2.
Come on.
Yeah, read it.
He's reading it, I think. We're looking at the pictures at least.
Yeah.
Oh, he's nodding. Looks like he
think he's getting
understands.
it.
He's clapping. He's clapping.
Yes, nice, PZ2.
Good.
Just double clap.
We gotta make sure he picks up the spy pen too.
Yeah.
That way we can see if our plan is working.
Oh, yes, there you go,
He's doing it.
It's
Nice.
working.
I come up with such good plans, don't I, guys?
Yeah.
I thought it was V's plan.
I mean, V comes up with such good plans.
He's going in the hatch.
There you go. It's closing the lid. Okay, he's in.
Hope this works.
Let's get to a hiding spot to watch that footage, okay?
Okay, guys. So what he needs to do is deliver the hotspot to Foomf, and then Foomf will hopefully deliver it to 314.
All right, you guys see anything?
It's pretty dark in the vent, so I don't know if we're gonna see anything for a while.
How long is the tunnel to the basement? You've gone through this tunnel before.
crawled through it so many times.
It's like 3.5 clicks.
What the heck does that mean?
Speaking of clicks, right now you should go down below this video, turn your phone like this, and underneath this video you're gonna see a red subscribe button. Well, hopefully it's gray, but if it's red, click it and make it gray, because Qwaint needs more subscribers.
Yeah.
Right, Regina?
Yes. He's making some weird noises. I don't know.
He sounds like he's.
Oh, he sounds like that.
Oh, look. Oh, he's coming out of the vent into the basement.
He's coming out of a cardboard box.
Oh, there's somebody in the distance. Sitting at a desk.
What is that?
Who is that? I don't know. I can't really see. Oh, you know what? Now that the hotspot is in the basement, I can hack the security cameras in there and see what's going on. Yes.
Daniel, you need a hotspot to hack the basement security camera? I do that all the time. I can do it in my sleep.
You go, girl!
Hey, wait a minute.
And I got it.
Okay, whatever. Let's look at yours. Oh, you know what? That looks like that must be PZ phone.
Oh.
Wait,
Oh,
how do you know?
tell?
Huh.
The yellow gloves.
They all
They're
wear
all yellow
A
gloves.
lot of them have yellow gloves.
Oh, well, listen. PZ2 is saying something.
Not in English.
It kind of almost sounds like English.
Yeah, he's like,
What does that mean, Regina? Translate for us.
PZ Foomf.
You know, when I was undercover as a Project Zorgo member, he's always sleeping in the basement. He's kind of a lazy one.
How is PZ2 gonna deliver the hotspot to phone if he's sleeping? Wake him up, PZ2.
Wait. What's he doing?
Uh-oh.
What's he doing with his feet? Ugh!
Ew!
Taking off his sock! V, when you were undercover with Project Zorgo, what did PZ2's feet smell like?
Like cottage cheese.
Oh! Oh! He threw it!
Oh, there you go, PZ2.
Oh, is it working?
Did you wake up? Come on, wake up, PZ Foom.
He didn't even move.
Foom, why are you so sleepy?
Did you travel all the way from Germany and now you're tired?
Oh, there you go, PZ2. Use the tape.
Yes.
Yeah. It's gotta wake him up.
That'll do it. Come on!
I feel your pain, PZ2. PZ Foonf is a really heavy sleeper.
He must have like sleep apnea or something. That's waking him up. It's working.
That worked, PZ2.
Yeah.
Come on, PZ2. Keep hitting it with your foot. That seemed to like kind of work. And wake him up. Just keep making noise with your smelly feet.
Just louder and louder.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh no!
No.
Roll over.
Like he's stuck on his back.
Come on, get up.
On his hump thingy.
He can't get up.
No, it's gonna take a while.
He's like a turtle.
Yeah, I remember that one time he was carrying watermelon and he fell onto his hump in his back, and I tried to help him up. Once I helped him up, he like attacked me.
Yeah.
I wish we could go and help him right now, because if he can't roll over, then he can't deliver the hotspot.
I got an idea. I've hacked the fire alarm at Project Zorgo's basement before, so I can probably do it again. And if I do it just for a short amount of time, it'll probably wake PC Food to help out PC
Yeah,
too.
there you go.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It'll go like wee woo.
Just one wee woo, as Daniel says.
One wee woo coming up.
You can do it, Regina.
Okay, and
Oh, it worked. Yes.
You woke him up. Yeah, that's it, PC Food.
Help him up.
Hum that, boy.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, he's giving him a hug.
Oh, how sweet.
He's handing him the note.
He wants to deliver it to 314.
Yes, that's right. PC Food can read, right? At least.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I
I'm
think
sure.
so.
They have a really good educational system in Germany where they learn how to read there.
Okay, you want me to deliver to PZ314? Just
Great, now Foom has the hotspot. He needs to deliver that to 314. And once 314 is right next to the server room, he can access the footage when Daniel joins Project Zorgo.
Yes.
We can see how I lost my memory.
Yeah, and exactly what they did to you.
are we sure we want to find out?
What if your past is something really bad, Daniel, and it's best that you forgot about it?
I don't know. I don't care. I want to know.
What if you used to be a really bad person, Daniel?
Wait, guys, stop.
Oh,
Let me see this for a second. I can now hack 314's office security cameras. The hotspot's getting closer to there.
Yes. Look, PZ314. He's in his office.
There you go.
He's got his monocle, his little one lens. What is that for? For reading or something? Oh, there's a knock. You hear that?
Who is it?
PC Food.
Who is it? Oh, come on in, phone.
Yes.
Yes. There you go, boy.
Plan is working. It's going as good.
It's going as go.
Hello, phone. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm just fine and dandy, thank you. What is this magnificent contraption we have here, TV phone?
These are us like this.
Yes.
Yes,
okay.
he gave it to him. Time to get hacking on that server. Who's gonna hack it?
Oh, me, of course.
Of course.
I'm the one who had the spot
in the first.
All right, stop. You can both hack at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, the server room is now showing up. Okay, I found the file.
Wait, I did
April
too.
14th, 2018, the day that I interviewed for Project Zorgo, I guess.
It's okay, Regina. Next time. Good job, Daniel. Way to get one for the
Thanks,
boys.
brother.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, you've been working out. You're still strong. Wow.
You're stronger though, Chad.
Oh,
Get a room. My gosh.
Should we leave?
Okay, I'm gonna download the file. Yes!
what'd you get?
100%. Okay, I guess I'll just click play. We'll see what happened on the day I joined Project Zorgo.
Wait, are you ready for this? Are you sure?
I mean, yeah, I have to know my past. Everybody knows their past. Like, what happened to me? I have to know.
Yeah, I would like to know too. Even though it's bad, it doesn't matter because that's in the past. But the person I am
Yeah.
is more important right now.
No matter who I was in the past, you guys will still accept me for who I am right now in the present, right?
Yes, I will always accept you, Daniel.
All right.
You're a good guy now. Even if you were a bad guy in the past, you're good now. So it's
Yeah.
all good. How many times can I say good in one sentence? That was at least 3.
Here we go. 3,
Come on, come on, come on.
2, 1. Okay, it's
Whoa.
a blank room.
It's empty. This is boring. Can you fast forward or something? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, someone's coming in.
Who's that? Who's that?
It's me! That's me!
It's a young Daniel.
Oh my gosh.
Barely looks like you.
I mean, I'm wearing the lie detector shirt
That's true.
and my old lie detector pants.
Okay, yeah, it does look like you, exactly, actually. You
Yeah.
don't remember this?
I don't remember this at all. Weird room with
What?
black carpet. What the heck? I'm reading a piece of paper.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm putting something on my chest. A little black thing. What is that?
Oh,
it
it's
looks
a
like,
mic.
Yeah, microphone. So
microphone.
to record your talking. Project Zorgo must have wanted to record what you were saying.
Whoa, what's going on now? Oh, someone's calling me.
Hello? Oh, hi, Mom.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
Wait, did you hear that?
You said
Yeah.
mom.
I said, hi, Mom.
You've never talked about your mom to us before.
And I never thought about it before. I just thought, I don't know, I never thought I had a mom. They erased my memory of my family, I guess?
That's really messed up.
How do you forget about your mom? Regina, what about you? Do you remember your mom?
I remember my mommy. Yep, she's still there.
Well, how come Regina can remember, but you don't, Daniel?
Yeah, how come they erased my memory, not yours? You were a Project Zorgo member. Whoa,
Someone's coming in. Whoa, that's a tall person.
Oh, he's wearing all black.
That's gotta be the
The
leader.
leader.
I don't know, I mean, I can't see his face. Oh, I just shook his hand.
Yeah, but how come we can hear you, but we can't hear the other person talking?
Well, yeah, I'm definitely interested to have a job with you guys. I feel like I'd be a really good fit here.
Oh, is it because you're Mike? It's only on you.
Oh, dang it.
The other person doesn't have a mic. I want to hear what they're saying.
We don't have audio of him. If we had audio of him, we could easily tell if it's the leader. He has that like weird voice.
Yeah, robotic voice.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, cool mustache, man. That's really nice.
Wait, you just said nice mustache to that dude, so he's not wearing a mask.
The Project Zorgo leader has a mustache, maybe.
Yes, if it is the leader.
I think, no, the leader wears a mask and the mustaches have a mask.
You know, you're right, Regina.
Yeah, okay.
I think Daniel would have said nice mask if he was wearing a mask, so he's probably not wearing a mask and he actually has a mustache in real life.
Wait, is this triggering any memories, Daniel?
Not really. I don't remember this at all.
Okay, but why do you gotta measure my head? It's a normally shaped head. It's probably the same as everybody else's.
Wait, what the heck? It sounds like they're gonna measure my head for some reason.
Weird.
What the heck?
Your head looks like normal shape.
They wanted to get the right size mask for your face.
Oh. Wait, they're putting something around my head. What the heck?
What are they doing? What kind of job interview is this?
Why am I letting them do this?
Yeah.
I guess I believe them. Oh my gosh, this is...
Hey, sir, something's going on here.
This is a B2354.
Yeah, that must be what made you lose your memory, Daniel.
Oh no! Come on, Daniel, persevere! Don't let it happen!
I think we already know that it happened because you don't remember anything right now.
Oh no. Yeah, look, I like fell asleep or something. What the heck, Daniel? Wake up, Daniel!
Wait, this is an old video from a year and a half ago, Daniel. You can't yell at yourself and wake yourself up.
Whoa. Where am I? What time is it?
That's the same thing PZ9 said.
Where am I? What time is it?
Oh, look.
They're handing you gloves
Yeah,
and a hoodie.
Those yellow gloves.
And I remember that hoodie has that blue and white stripe.
Yeah.
When we first started learning about the YouTube hacker, it was that hoodie. In fact, I think if you go to Project Zorgo's YouTube channel right now and look at their like banner across the top of their channel, it's somebody wearing that hoodie and those gloves.
Right, you know what?
Is that person you, Daniel?
You know what? Yeah, I kinda actually remember all this. This is my first memory I have.
What we're watching right now is when your memory bank began working. Everything before this moment got erased, or at least it got jumbled and lost. It's somewhere in your brain, but you can't access it.
Oh, what the heck? Uh-oh. I just lost connection, guys.
Oh, get it back.
Regina, take over.
Come on, Regina, fix it.
Oh, darn it!
Uh-oh. Wait, maybe the hotspot is getting farther away now. Oh gosh, look.
I found a strange device. I think somebody has brought it here. They might be around here somewhere.
Oh no, they might be onto us.
Okay, let's go. Daniel, maybe we can find out more about your past, because the more information we find about you, the more we'll learn about Project Zorgo members, and then we can destroy them forever. Thank you so much to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing you comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me. Make sure to subscribe to Chad, because the next video is going to be on his channel. Let's do a quiet kick bump. Kick bump.